Hello there. Welcome back to Grandma Ray Don't Play, and I'm Rachel. So let me show you how to make some cheesy spinach rice. We're going to be cooking that in the rice cooker. Cheesy spinach rice. Oh, can you just imagine the rice when you bite into it have that nice cheesy flavor to it, and the spinach in there for the roughage. Oh my goodness, my goodness. And of course, you know, we're going to flavor it up with some other vegetables, okay? Alright, so let's do it, alright? Thank you for hanging around. Give it a thumbs up if you like it. Share the video, subscribe, check out the links below. Thank you. Okay guys, so this is our rice cup measure that came with the rice cooker. And this is 3/4 of a cup. So I'm going to be using 2 of those. So 2 3/4 of a cup, okay? So that's what this rice here measures out to, but I'll show you. One, two. Okay? Okay. Now we're going to add our ingredients. Let's add a little adobo. I'm going to add some turmeric. You know, turmeric makes yellow rice, right? And then I'm going to add some, this is some onion and garlic paste that I made. I think I have about a tablespoonful, yep. So I'm going to put 1 heaping tablespoonful. I have 1 running over cup of spinach. I'm sorry, this is a 1/2 cup of spinach running over. A 1/2 cup of spinach running over. Drop that in there. I took the spinach and cut it up. Okay, and let me show you the container of the spinach. This is what I used, the baby spinach. Alright, so that was a 1/2 cup of baby spinach. Okay, now we're going to add some cheese, because of course it's cheesy spinach rice, right? Okay, so I'm going to do 2 handfuls. See that? 1 handful, 2 handsful. Okay, that's all we need of that. Now I gotta add my water. So because I use 2 of these containers of rice, I need 4 of these containers of water. So I'm gonna put the water in this container here, okay? Okay, so the last container, I have 3 of these containers of water right here. That's going to go in here into the rice, okay? And the last container of water, I did not fill it up all the way. You see I left 1/4, I only filled it up 3/4 the way, because I left the other 1/4 not with water, because I added the garlic paste and the spinach, which is going to make water. So I wanted to compensate for that. So this is 3/4 of this container, okay? So when you make your rice and you're going to add vegetables, make sure you compensate for the vegetables, all right? Okay, now, the only other thing I want to add in here is some chicken broth. Let me see if I have some powdered chicken broth. Yep, I do. Okay. So I have powdered chicken broth. I'm going to add 1 package. Okay? All right. Okay, now I'm going to just mix that up. Can you just imagine the cheese just gushing out of this? Oh my, 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 my. I can't wait. Can't wait. Okay, let me show you that. So here's what it looks like, okay? Okay, this is our rice cooker. And we're just going to sit it down in here. And I'm going to plug it in and I'm going to push this button down. It automatically does everything else for you. In 23 minutes, this rice will be done. Okay? So the only other trick I want to show you is I put a piece of aluminum foil over the top of mine to lock in the steam. And the only other thing I want to tell you is when the rice gets halfway done, so 15 minutes into it, I want you to take this top off, stir it up, and put this aluminum foil back on it, and put this top back on it, and let it finish cooking. So that's one thing that I have learned since using the rice cooker that I should do. Okay, so it's all set. So I'm just going to plug this in and push the button down, and I'll see you in a few minutes with your word of the day, okay? Okay, while I'm waiting on the rice to cook, let me give you the word of the day. Oh, I can't wait to bite into, first of all, that cheesy spinach and rice. Oh boy, I can't wait. Okay, let me focus on the word of the day. The word of the day is be all about you. If you want to be happy, be all about you. Don't worry about making somebody else happy before you make you happy. Don't worry about who didn't make you happy because you didn't do it. Do it yourself. Be all about you. Make yourself happy. That's a quick word of the day, okay? Because who else is going to do it but you? Okay, that's the word. Okay guys, let's check out our cheesy spinach rice. It's done. Whoa. Oh wow, let me show you that. Look at that, guys. Yellow rice. The turmeric made it yellow with that spinach around there. Oh, what a beauty, huh? Bring that to your table. Okay. Let me plate it up. Okay guys, look at that. Oh, my. Let's take a bite of that. Cheesy spinach garlic rice. Oh my goodness. With that cheddar cheese in there. Let's see. Spinach. That cheddar cheese come right through. Really good. And that turmeric in there, which makes it the yellow color, the yellow rice. How about that? So now you learned two things today. How to make yellow rice, you just use turmeric seasoning. And to make the delicious spinach and cheddar cheese rice. Oh, wow. Okay guys, I brought it home. Give it a thumbs up, share the video, subscribe, check out my links below. Talk to you soon, okay? Bye-bye.